Good morning, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, and we are back to our tropical weather analysis for this Sunday to Monday, July 18 to 19, 2021. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Last Friday, we were not able to give you the latest video analysis since we have important matters to do. So since we have a cyclone to the east of northern Luzon, so we are here to give you the latest update on that, and also the effects of the weather across the Philippine Islands. So let's begin. Here's the latest GovSat today, Saturday. This was issued yesterday, 2 p.m. Saturday until Sunday. The low pressure area to the east of northern Luzon is now Tropical Depression Fabian. If you are looking through our social media pages, as well as at our website typhoon2000.ph, you will notice our updates on Fabian, but we are issuing only every 24 hours, known as the storm watches, since this system is a non-threat to our country. So here's Fabian. This system is somewhat moving very slowly towards the Ryukyu Islands of the southern islands of Japan. And with that, we have a monsoon trough affecting extreme northern and northern Luzon, including Batanes and Babuyan Cabo Islands, which is connected to a moderate LPA moving towards southern China. This is LPA 99W, and these two systems will start to enhance the Southwest Monsoon, bringing some isolated, scattered to on and off rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly across the western sections of Visayas, Mimaropa, western Luzon, western Mindanao, and some portions of southern Mindanao, and also isolated areas of the Bicol region. So expect this kind of weather. Sometimes it will rain and the sun will go out, and another round of rainfall will pass through. So this is a common feature of the monsoon during this time of the year. And since we have a weather system right now to the northeast and west of the Philippines, so expect the line of sight of these systems to enhance the southwest monsoon. So based on the computer models, it looks like it will persist for the next 1 to 2 weeks because of another formation of a tropical cyclone later next weekend. So it's quite a rainy week ahead for the western sections of the Philippine Islands. So don't forget to bring your rain gear, umbrella, jackets, and please take all necessary precautions, especially living on the flood-prone areas of the country. And outside of PAR, we have a shallow low pressure area. Don't worry about this. This is only a very weak LPA, and based on the computer models, it won't intensify. It will be just absorbed into the trough of this system. And we have here the intertropical convergence zone across the eastern sections of Micronesia and the Marshall Islands. So as of 5 or 2 p.m. Yesterday, Fabian is somewhere about 1,200 kilometers east-northeast of Basco. As we speak right now, it's around 12:30 in the early morning of Sunday. The system is somewhere here, so it's been moving very slowly right now, around 11 to 13 kph, and it is very conducive in enhancing the southwest monsoon. So expect some rainy conditions within the next 3 to 5 days. Let's hope and pray that it will. This system will move a little bit faster, so that the monsoon is not expected to stay longer across the western sections of our country. And if we look at the fast animation, so here we go. This is from the University of Wisconsin. The weather systems right now is somewhat developing. This is Fabian, and this is LPA 99W, which is very small right now, while Fabian is starting to act up and could become a tropical storm as it moves towards the southern islands of Japan, towards that direction. And we expect that the monsoon will pick up in the next couple of days. And if we look at the zoom satellite animation from windy.com, this is the night vision imagery since it's now past midnight, no sunshine. If we switch into blue mode, so you can see the dark grayish clouds, those are the monsoon clouds with thunderstorms across the western sections of Luzon. Over the inland sections of Luzon, those are localized thunderstorms, and also affecting the Mimaropa area, western Visayas, and western Mindanao. Okay, so if we click the infrared, you can see those dark red, so many dark reds. Those are the localized thunderstorms generated by the monsoon and some local convection across inland Philippines. Here comes the storm at the back of my video image. And if we take a look at our storm watch number 2, which we issued around 11 p.m. yesterday, so at 8 p.m. last night, it's around here, and it is expected to move very slowly for the next 2 to 3 days. And if the track or the forecast track will continue, it is expected to move out. Let's zoom the image. It is expected to move out of the Philippine area of responsibility in the evening of Tuesday, okay, as it moves very close to Okinawa, Japan. So that will be the track, and it could become a Category 1 typhoon or minimal typhoon with winds of 120 up to 150 or 160, and it could become a Category 2 system after 5 days. That will be in the evening of Thursday, July 22nd. So it will move very close towards the northern coastal areas of Taiwan if the track will continue. But if the forecast track will move more to the north, it might strike directly or pass directly over Okinawa, Japan, and could make landfall over the eastern shoreline of eastern China sometime Friday or Saturday, July 23 to 24. But if it moves more to the west towards central Taiwan, the island province of Basco, okay, let me check this out. This one, that's the area of the province of Batanes. So there could be some increasing wind signal. There could be some wind signal to be raised by Pag-asa if the track will move more to the west. So it's still uncertain what will be the track of this tropical cyclone. We will keep you updated in the coming days. So right now, these track are considered low in confidence, so many changes will occur. So watch out for more updates, daily updates, since we are just issuing every 24 hours because of a non-threat to our country. So we will give you the very latest, particularly this coming Monday. And if we look now to our rainfall accumulation, the 3-day rainfall accumulation until Monday or Tuesday, you can see here that most parts of western Philippines, from western Luzon, Ilocos region, down to Mindoro, western Visayas, and Palawan, will be under the influence of the monsoon rains. So you can see here some monsoonal and thunderstorm activity will be expected, and some rains will also occur across the western and central portions of the Bicol region. That includes Naga City and Iriga. From time to time, there will be some passing thunderstorms or rain showers on and off during the peak of the monsoon, sometime Monday or Tuesday or even up to Friday. So it depends on the movement or the motion of tropical depression Fabian. If it stays longer to the east of Taiwan, then we could get also on and off rainfall, but it will be more intense along the western sections of our country. So take note of those living along the low-lying areas, flood-prone areas, as well as landslide-prone areas of western Philippines, from western Luzon, Mimaropa, western Visayas, western Mindanao will also be included because of the flow of the monsoon. So that's it. That's the forecast that we expect in the next 2 to 3 days because of this tropical cyclone pulling the southwest monsoon or enhancing it. That will bring rainfall across western Philippines. And here's the forecast from windy.com. This is the wind and pressure forecast from both of the European and the American model. Let's begin with the European model for the next 1 week so that you can see how long the monsoon will persist. So by tomorrow, Monday, you can see the typhoon moving towards Okinawa. Tuesday, exiting the PAR Tuesday evening, afternoon, and moving very close to Okinawa. So you can see here the monsoon still affecting the Philippine Islands. And on Wednesday, it will continue to move towards eastern China. So on Thursday next week, we could see another tropical disturbance or tropical cyclone forming to the east of Batanes. So you could observe that the winds will be shifting more to the new system that will again be enhancing it. Okay. And Friday, Fabian will start to weaken after making landfall over eastern China. And Saturday, the new system will accelerate more to the northeast. Sunday next week, July 25, the remnants of Fabian is still there, enhancing the southwest monsoon. And another LPA will form here over the Okinawa area or Ryukyu Islands. So you can see here that the monsoon will still persist until July 26. So expect on and off rainfall, cloudy conditions across the western sections of the country. So that's the European model. Now, if you check, the American model is somewhat very aggressive because Fabian will slow down abruptly, move more to the west, and is expected to pass very close to Taiwan, area over Taipei area on Thursday to Friday, July 22 to 23. And this is the other system which is also strong enough to enhance the monsoon. So we already have 2 tropical cyclones enhancing the southwest monsoon. So we are going to have windy conditions with on and off rainfall once again. Bicol region is not spared of this wind system, although the rainfall is much stronger or intense along the western sections of the country. On Friday, Fabian making landfall over eastern China. The other one accelerating to the right, away from the Philippine Islands, but it will draw the southwest monsoon across the country. Sunday, remnants of Fabian near Hong Kong. And the other system already moving to the southeast of Japan. So until, let me see this, July 27, Tuesday, we will be still experiencing monsoon weather, the effects of the southwest monsoon. In Tagalog, we call this Sham because of the extended version of the monsoon for 2 weeks. Okay, so let's hope it won't bring any heavy rainfall that can cause flash floods across the western sections of the country. But both of the computer models are predicting a on and off rainfall to occur across the western sections of the country because of Fabian and another system that will form on the same place where Fabian developed. Okay, so watch out for that. We will be bringing you another video update on Monday that will show you if the monsoon will still continue until the end of the month. Okay, so for the farmers it's good, but for the flood prone areas it's bad. So please take all necessary precautions, and let's hope and pray that it won't bring any much rainfall to the western sections of our country, especially if it extends until the end of July. So once again, this is Mike Padua reporting. We will be back on Monday to give you more update on tropical cyclone Fabian. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser, #TyphoonWiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.